Hey, Super Yoshi Anthony gangsters. Guess what? I'm going to be shooting this MC against all that's world record, okay? I'm going to try to set one without reloading, okay? My brother's going to be recording. He's not going to show his face. He's a YouTuber that been hated on. Make sure you subscribe to him. Look. Get that on! World record. He's not reloading. I'm not reloading. Okay, see that cup right there? Yeah. I'm talking to the viewers, look. And my cameraman here, which I'm going to be recording him, he's going to shoot it. All he does is have to go set up the targets. Oh, you have to go get the mask. Okay, go get the mask. Right? Alex, you go get the mask, okay? Comment down below which one gun you like. Pistol, the M16, which is mine, including Anthony. And Alex got my helmet. Airsoft, okay. Alex, go set up the targets and cease fire. Damn it. Hey, everybody. This time I won't be revealed. Damn it. Okay. Put 4 on the bottom. 4 on the bottom. That's it. Put some on the bottom. I'm not going to show himself. He's been having a stressed out YouTube life, and I'm not going to say what the YouTuber is. And most of you, which is XXHalo, hates. Well, he probably hates other YouTubers, but he's probably the 5th one that you hate. Okay, watch. Not reloading, just waiting. Look. I don't have to reload shit. Damn! 2 more targets. I actually got 10 more shots. 10, 9, 8, 7, 7. Least record ever made. Now we're gonna do a redo, okay? Alex is gonna hold. No, not Alex. Sub-Zero. Sub 19 is gonna hold it. Sub 17, hold it. Okay. Okay, you're gonna go set up the targets, okay? While I wait here. Okay. But make sure you do not get. These are all reused bottles. They're used for targets. This is also how many bullets we've been shooting. Really. Check out Security's channel. He won't be showing his face anymore. I'm sub 19. Hillbilly. Alex, put the camera towards me. Hillbilly. Anthony, hillbillies are supposed to do dads. Now you're doing it way more trickier. Okay. World record. And I have enough ammo. I meant to reload, but that doesn't count since I didn't hit anything. But look how much I tore up this thing. Oh. Get the things out of ammo. Answer, we've been recording for 4 minutes. Yep. One shot. Hopefully I get this one. Damn it. Got ammo. Actually, he will be entertaining you, and this is my real voice, I'll tell you that. He's gonna be saying. Hunt Gobber? Okay, Axe is done entertaining you. Get the M16 right behind you. Okay, here you go. Right. Okay, let me see it. My favorite gun of them all. A battery-powered pulse rifle. Ow. Not seriously, Anthony. Those things are pulse rifles. Or if you get an extended mag. Hell yeah. Military rifle. Here we go.